Ever noticed how some people effortlessly attract attention, admiration, and opportunities while others keep chasing and getting ignored? What if I told you the secret to making people chase you lies not in running after them, but in mastering your own energy? Let's talk about how to make people, yes, anyone, chase you naturally. Step 1: Stop chasing, start attracting. Here's the truth: people chase what's rare, not what's always available. So when you stop running behind attention, validation, or approval, you instantly shift the energy. Start by creating a sense of self-worth and calm detachment. Say to yourself every morning, "I am the prize." When you truly believe that, others start believing it too. Step 2: Build magnetic confidence. Confidence isn't about being loud, it's about being certain. When you know who you are, what you want, and what you stand for, people are drawn to that energy. Walk with purpose. Speak with intention. And most importantly, don't explain your value. Demonstrate it through your actions. Step 3: Be mysterious, but not distant. If people know everything about you instantly, there's no curiosity left. Share less, reveal slowly. Let your life unfold like a story, not a spoiler. When you maintain a little mystery, people will keep coming back to learn more. Step 4: Master communication energy. It's not just what you say, it's how you say it. Speak slowly, hold eye contact, and don't rush to fill silence. The person who can stay calm in silence holds power in the conversation. That calm, grounded presence makes people feel your energy, and that's what draws them in. Step 5: A focus on purpose, not people. Here's the paradox: when you stop chasing people and start chasing your goals, people start chasing you. When your life has direction, ambition, and meaning, you become magnetic. So work on your growth, fitness, mindset, and dreams. Because when you're busy evolving, others will want to be a part of that journey. Step 6: Give value, then pull back. Give people a taste of your energy, a kind word, a thoughtful action, your best self, then pull back. That's when curiosity and interest grow. People remember how you make them feel. When you give value and then step back, you leave them wanting more. Don't play games, play standards. Manipulation fades, but self-respect lasts forever. Set your boundaries clearly, and people who truly value you will rise to meet them. So, remember this: you don't chase love, attention, or success. You become the kind of person who naturally attracts it. Work on your mindset, your confidence, your energy, and everything else will follow. Because when you stop chasing, the universe starts aligning. And when you know your worth, people have no choice but to see it too.